Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the ilanguage.com. Today, I'm introducing an exciting feature, the simple web page widget in Flutter. With this widget, you can create a single page website with static content and render it seamlessly in Flutter. To give you an idea, here are 4 examples you can create using this widget: a ping pong game, a calculator, a company web page, and a portfolio page. Each of these can be built in just a few minutes without writing a single line of code. Let me show you how. Before we begin, make sure to check the description below for links to 1. Try the tool, 2. Watch our demo video. Both are free and designed to help you on your journey to mastering Flutter. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for free access to the tool. Let's dive in. The first step is to visit the ailanguage.com. Once there, subscribe to our YouTube channel to unlock free access. After that, log in with your account to get started. Open ChatGPT, log in with your credentials, and choose the best available model. For example, let's select O1-Preview. Once you're in, it's time to describe your requirements. Here's an example of how you can describe your requirements to ChatGPT. I want to create a scientific calculator with simple graphing functionality. It should include a dark and light theme toggle, a small info section with clickable, expandable content that explains how to use it, and it should be a single-page website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next, ask ChatGPT to generate the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for your web. Here's an example of what you can say. Describe in detail the HTML, CSS, and JS needed for this. Output it as a single HTML document with inline CSS and JS and exclude any comments. Within seconds, ChatGPT will provide a complete HTML file ready to use. It's that simple. Now let's render this website using the ailanguage.com. Open the Canvas tool, create a new page. Assign it a simple web page widget. Copy the HTML code generated by ChatGPT and paste it directly into the widget. And just like that, your scientific calculator is ready to go. Let's test it out. Perform basic operations like addition and subtraction. It works beautifully. Switch between dark mode and light mode. The dark theme looks especially cool. Try graphing a function like y=x²4. It's smooth and accurate. This tool makes it so easy to create dynamic and functional websites in no time. If you like this tutorial, give it a try yourself. Just subscribe to our tool on the ilanguage.com and it will automatically detect your subscription to grant you free access. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.